Hello, and welcome to English 109X. My name is Britton McLennan, and I will be your instructor for this online class. I wanted to take a moment to talk about the nature of 109X and what it is, because there is often some confusion about the class and what it actually does with the students. 109X is meant to be a supplemental class that works with your writing intensive course. We often see a variety of students from many different writing intensive courses, and their professors have designed the courses with different purposes in mind. This means that some people will write a series of posts, whereas other people may write just one or two large papers for their class. So sometimes working together with all of the students can be a little difficult because they all have different needs that need to be met, or they're having different expectations set by their professors. What this class does is that it will help you with your writing skills. So we cover a lot of the basics that some of you may already be familiar with, but we reiterate these and we give you guys the opportunity to re-practice them so that you can bring your best skills to your writing intensive class. The way that I have this class set up is that there will be content. If you look to the ribbon on the left-hand side of your SACSI, or I should call it the Blackboard side, the left-hand side of the Blackboard side, there will be the content section. If you click that, it will take you to the main content page, and you will see a series of folders. Each of these folders is listed by week for this class. They are all up. If you click in week 1, for example, and you go into folder for week 1, you will see all the materials that you need for that week, whether it be an article that you need to read or a video that you need to watch. In addition to that, there will also be discussion posts. So on the left-hand side again, you click where the discussion board is, and it will take you to discussion posts. And again, there is a post for each week. What I do in the discussion post is I try to make a connection with the material that I've given you in the content folder. So after you have followed the directions in the content folder, you will write about it in the discussion post according to the prompt that I have set up. There is also the expectation that you will reply to one of your classmates with no less than 25 words. The reason for that is because for 109X classes that are not online, you actually need 1 day a week in the classroom at Sac State. And then you bring in your work that you've been working on from your writing intensive classes, and you and your classmates will give feedback on each other's work. That I have found through experience and much difficulty doesn't work as well online as it does in the classroom. So I relaxed that a little bit, and I just said, listen, go into the discussion post, look at what your classmates have written, and have a conversation with them about that. If I find that people are not doing that, I reserve the right through the semester to make that portion more rigorous. So make sure to just write at least 25 words to a classmate's post. There will also be a final paper. So I have put that in the very last week in place of a discussion board, because this class is not meant to be something that is overbearing in work for you, and I understand that finals week can get busy, And that's just one more thing for you to do during finals week. And so I've moved it up 1 week, the week before finals. You will be completing this, and it will take place at a discussion board post. You will have a prompt that will be on StackCT. It should be in the folder, and you can look at that, and that will be turned in. So that is basically the class. You have the content folder where you look through the videos. You have the discussion board where you talk about the videos or the articles or the exercise that I had you guys do for that week. And then during the last week, you have the final paper that you need to write. Nothing big. I think I said it was between 700 and 800 words, so not huge. So what is expected of you guys in this class? You must complete all assignments to pass this class. Because it's online, because you have a week for each assignment, I will, I believe that I've given you guys the proper amount of time that you need to complete these assignments. There is no reason to not have them done. And all of the assignments are up right now. Each week is up. You have 1 week to complete it. At 11:59 p.m. on Saturday night, the week that we're in will disappear from the discussion posts, okay, from the discussion board. And so I will not reopen that for any reason. I feel that you guys have the adequate time. I don't think these are necessarily overbearing assignments, so I expect them to be completed. And if you miss that assignment, or if you miss an assignment, then you are in great jeopardy of not passing this class. So, what does that mean if you don't pass this class? If you don't pass this class, it means that you have not completed your GWAR requirement, which means that you will not be able to graduate yet. And in order to retake this class, you will have to take another writing intensive class with it, because this class can only be taken with a writing intensive. So please take the time to fill each discussion post and look through all the content material that I posted online. I think this is an easy class to pass, also an easy class to fail. They'll get complacent, right? So I don't think that the material on here is too rigorous, and I don't expect that anybody in this class should have difficulty passing it. That being said, I have had students that didn't take it seriously and have failed this class. I should say not passed this class, which left them without fulfilling their GWAR requirements. So don't become one of those students. Stay on top of it. Remember that by Saturday night, the discussion board for the week goes offline, and so you need to have it done before then. And let's just start the semester strong. Let's make sure to stay strong throughout the semester. Let's get all of our things done. Easiest way to contact me would be through my email. Only way to contact me is through my email. That's on the top of the syllabus. The syllabus is posted in 2 places in the week 1 folder. I have posted the syllabus, and it's also in the content just outside of the weekly folder, so you can find that easily enough. If you have any questions that I did not address in this video, please feel free to contact me. But I think we hit all the major points and what the expectations are and how this class is designed. So with all that being said, good luck, and I look forward to reading your guys' work and seeing how you interact with the material that I posted online. So let's go out there and have a great semester. Thank you.